To a Math Olympiad, we have two problems here. The topic is solving inequalities. So it's belong to inequalities. This is two problems. The first one is to solve the following inequalities. The first one, 4 to the x power plus 4 to the negative x plus 5 greater than 2 to the x power plus 2 to the second power minus x. That's the first one. The second one is x to the third power minus 3 log 2 to the x minus log 2x to the second power minus 1/8 x to the second power greater than 2. Alright, so let's talk about the first one, the first problem, okay? The first one, we have two problems together, but let's solve one by one. And the first one, the first problem here that we have it, this is an exponential inequality with a different base, bases, right? However, in this problem, you can write it here 4 to the equals 2 to the second power, right? So our solution begins on unifying basis. All right, that's the first problem. Let's go and try to solve the first one. All right, let me divide it here. So let's go to solve the first problem. Okay, the solution number one, right? Number one, the inequality is equivalent to this inequality is equivalent, so equivalent to is equivalent to 2x plus 2 to negative x to the second power minus 4 times 2 to the x plus 2 to the negative x plus 3 greater than 0. Alright? This is equivalent to that one. So that's it. In this case, that is, let me rewrite it again here. It's 2 to the x power plus 2 to the negative x power minus 1. So look at this, the difference, right? Times 2 to the x power plus 2 to the negative x minus 3 greater than 0. All right. So since let's write it here. So since 2 to the x power plus 2 to the negative x power greater or equals than 2, let's find here the square root, 2 to the x power times 2 to the negative x equals 2. We will have then 2 to the x power plus 2 to the negative x minus 1 greater than 0. So the original inequality reduces here. The original inequality reduces to. So here reduces 2. So reduces to 2x, 2 to the x power plus 2 to the negative x minus 3 greater than 0. All right. So namely here, we have here 2 to the x to the second power, 2 to the x power to the second power minus 3 times 2 to the x power plus 1 greater than 0, right? Solving inequality, we have here solving inequality, we have here solving inequality. We have, let's see, we have 0 here, 0 less than 2 to the x power, less than, this is a fraction here, 3 minus the square root 5 divided by 2, right? Or 2 to the x power greater than 3 minus to the square root of 5 divided by 2, or equivalently to x to the second power less than log 3 minus square root number 5 divided by 2. All right, or x greater than log 2 of 3 plus square root 5 divided by 2. See, all this process, right? So therefore, here let's erase it here to write the answer in the first problem. I'm going to erase all this information here, and then therefore, so therefore the solution set to the original inequality is, look at this. This is the solution, all right? And the first one, we have x such x, all right, less than log 2 of 3 plus square root number 5 divided by 2, or x, that the conclusion that we got it here of x greater than log 2, here 3 plus square root number 5 divided by 2. That's it. This is the solution for our first problem. All right, let's go and try to find the solution to the second one. Okay, let's go and how solve the second problem. Solution number 2. All right, in this case, this inequality involves both exponential and logarithms. Considering the relationship between the exponential and the logarithms, we can transform the inequality into x 3 minus 3 log 2x minus log 2 to the second power, x, aquí es x, x to the second power greater than 1/2 x to the second power. Inequality and the logarithm with the two on both sides. Okay, so some clue I write it here to find this answer. All right, let's go then find the solution. This apparently here in this problem, x is greater than 0. It's another thing here. X is greater than 0. See, dividing by x to the second power, right? In both sides. We are talking about the problem number 2. All right. So let's see. Let's write it. X. Let's write x to the first power minus 3 log 2 x minus log 2x to the second power greater than 1/8. 1/8 is right there. Then take the logarithm in both sides. Now take the logarithm in both sides. So now then in both sides. Take the logarithm in both sides. If you do that, so we will have here log 2 x times here. Look at this. Open quotient. 1 minus 3 here. Log 2 x minus times. Yeah, minus log 2 x to the second power greater than -3. Right? Or here equivalent to write it or here we have to close the crochet right here. Right? Or everything like that. So, or equivalent is like this. Log 2 x to the third power plus 3 times log 2 x to the second power minus log 2 x minus 3 less than 0. Right? From which we will have here again log 2 x plus 3, right, times log 2 x minus 1 less than 0. All right? Now hence log 2 x minus -3 or -1 less than log 2 x minus 1. All right? So therefore, almost finished. Therefore, so as our conclusion, the solution the solution original inequality is the solution to original inequality we have is right here. Open. This is the solution to the second one. So we will have x such x is 0 less than x less than what else? 1/8. Okay, or 1/2 less than x less than 2. That's the solution. All right, see, it's or right there. Okay, so that's it. You see the solution for the problem, solution number 2 is right here. You see right here, this is such a 0. Right? Let's see, 2 inequalities from Mathematics Olympiad belong to inequalities. So listen, it's an inequality. We're talking about the inequalities when you are in Mathematics Olympiad. These kind of problems sometimes confuse. You need to combine a lot of strategies to find the answer.